Hey traders! In this video, you'll discover how mandatory signals work in the MZpack Footprint Action Strategy, along with several other powerful features. Make sure to download the latest version from our website to explore all the new functionality. By default, all signals are considered optional. However, the mandatory option allows you to designate specific signals that must be present, while others remain optional. The strategy dynamically constructs a logical tree, placing all mandatory signals under an AND node, ensuring precise control over entry conditions. Set as many mandatory signals as you need. If your logic is set to OR, mandatory signals will still be enforced, even though other signals can vary. If your logic is set to AND, all signals in the group become mandatory. Override Filters feature. Available filters include bar volume, delta, and delta percentage. The strategy supports two types of filters: global filters, applied at the strategy level; signal-specific filters, applied to individual signals. The Override Filters feature allows you to apply custom filter values to specific signals, overriding the global strategy filters. This gives you greater flexibility and precision when defining signal conditions. The strategy features color-coded buttons on the control panel for quick status indication and management. When the strategy is armed, the trade button turns green. The auto suspend button turns red when the strategy enters last trade mode. The trail button displays the current trailing parameters. When trailing is active, this button also turns green. This visual feedback helps you monitor the strategy's state at a glance. Our mandatory delta divergence signal, placed under the AND node, was triggered. However, no additional signals under the OR node were detected, so the strategy continues to wait for a valid setup. The delta slingshot signal was triggered. But since the mandatory delta divergence signal under the AND node was not met for that bar, the strategy did not initiate a trade. This example demonstrates how the strategy enforces signal logic using AND/OR nodes and the mandatory feature. It ensures that trades are only executed when all required conditions are met, providing greater flexibility and control over your entries. Use these tools to fine-tune your strategy logic and align it with your trading style. Let the strategy do the hard work. You stay focused on the bigger picture. See you in the next videos.